Like fire across the galaxy, the Clone Wars spread. Against this threat, upon the Jedi Knights falls the duty to lead the newly formed army of the Republic. And as the heat of war grows, so too grows the prowess of one most gifted student of the Force.
Let's end this battle, Commander.
Star Wars Clone Wars will return in a moment.
May the Force be with you.
April 19th from 5 to 7, Cartoon Network's throwing a big party. Consider this your invitation. For the best action cartoons with a little extra deep sea flavor in between.
That's just plain freaky.
If you can cannonball, you'll be right at home.
Looks like this is gonna be good.
Duh.
Miguzi, premiering Monday, April 19th from 5 to 7, only on Cartoon Network. Come on in, the water's fine.
You're watching the first 5 episodes of Star Wars Clone Wars.
Ezra, Metreon, Zinthos!
Teen Titans are up next. Stay tuned for more Star Wars Clone Wars.
And the race is set to begin. Bob, we should keep our eye on Prosser in lane 3, because he'll probably set the pace.
A good clean start. Stan, any idea what we're seeing?
Bob, they're new Eggo French Toaster Sticks. As you can see, they're rippable, dippable, and cinnamon flavored.
Oh my, there's a boy chasing after him. Kid's got an appetite.
He's gaining on him. Run, Eggo French Toaster Sticks, run!
Introducing new rippable, dippable Eggo French Toaster Sticks. So good, kids can't wait to get them. Part of a complete breakfast. Lego my Eggo.
Lead the assault, Master Obi-Wan can.
And now back to Star Wars Clone Wars.
And young Skywalker as well.
This video brought to you by StockAgogo.com, Stock Photos.